What's up, guys, and welcome back to Outdoor Beards. Today, we're talking about kinky beards. Ooh, giggity. Tim wrote, so my beard is kinky, insert pun. And I haven't tried a daily oil regimen. Do you think this will help straighten it out? Well, Tim, I'm here to answer that question. And the answer is no. Kind of. Possibly. It depends. It's a little complicated. So here's the thing about straightening your beard, is no matter how you do it, it's going to be temporary. So I kind of like to say embrace the kink, if you will. The only product out there that I know of that will actually straighten a beard is called keratin, and you can have what's called a keratin treatment. If you've ever watched one of these keratin treatments, they basically put this pasty stuff on your face, and then they use a straightening iron, like what your wife probably uses, and they straighten your beard with that. There's a lot of heat involved in this. There's actually like smoke coming off of these people's beards. I don't like that idea. I think that's too much heat. A lot of heat is the enemy. A little bit heat is okay, but a lot of heat, that's not a good thing. Now back to the beard oil. The reason I say beard oil is not going to straighten your beard out is because beard oil is just a leave-in conditioner. It's faster absorbing than beard balm. It doesn't have the holding properties that beard balm has. What it is going to do though is help keep your beard moisturized. A dry beard, especially when you have a kinky beard, or an unruly beard, however you want to put it, a dry beard, the drier it is, the kinkier it gets. So if you're using beard oil, it's going to help keep it moisturized, so it will help it be not as kinky. Giggity. I gotta say, this video is a little awkward. I keep using the word kinky. I am a big proponent of having a how do I put this, natural type of beard. And what I mean by that is not dyeing your beard or doing a keratin treatment or doing something that unnatural to your beard to make it look completely differently than what it is. Using my beard as an example, I've got a bunch of gray hair in this thing. I'm okay with that. I like my beard just the way it is because this is me. This is part of who I am, so I don't really need to change that. However, if you've got a lot of kink in your beard, like I do, you do have to do quite a bit in order to manage it. And that's what we're going to talk about. Managing a kinky beard. Not trying to straighten it, but just manage it so it's not nearly as bad. There's a new gadget that I want to try for managing the beard here, and I need to get the little guy out of the house, so we're going to go pick one of these up right now. Alright, adventure times with Liam. Those are always fun. So this is what we got. This is what I normally use. This is just a detangler brush. And this is kind of like a detangler brush, but it heats up. So it's got the same type of spines on it, just without the balls on the end here. And it actually heats up, so it's got a little on-off, plugs into the wall. Most of the time I combine my detangler brush with a blow dryer, and that seems to do the trick for me just fine for managing those kinks. But the main goal here is actually to keep it in shape and to keep it from getting all knotted up. I have to admit, I didn't really think this was going to work. At least not in a beard. I mean, this is designed for ladies' hair, right? You know, you've got the long strands of hair that they're pulling this thing out on. I didn't think it was going to work in the beard. Now, Tim, I don't know how long your beard is, so this might not do it for you. My beard is long enough where I was actually able to do this. And basically, you plug it in, you let it heat up. It takes about 45 seconds or so to heat up. And then I just kind of ran this through my beard. Quick tip, and this is very important. If you're not going to pay attention to anything else in this video, make sure you pay attention to this. Anytime you're going to be applying heat to your beard, whether it's with a blow dryer or some sort of gadget, make sure you put oil on your beard first, okay? You're going to have some amount of moisture in your beard. Whether you just got out of the shower or not, there's going to be some amount of water in your beard. When you blow dry it or apply any sort of heat to it, that water is going to evaporate very quickly. This is going to cause split ends and cracking on the hair. If you apply beard oil first, because beard oil doesn't evaporate, As the water is coming out, the beard oil is replacing it and getting soaked in. So make sure you add beard oil before you apply any sort of heat. Now, I feel like I kind of got off track in this video here, so here's the deal. Tim, you need a couple of things in order to manage a kinky beard. First, yes, add beard oil. It's going to help keep it moisturized, which will help manage the kinkiness. Thing number 2, add blow drying to your regimen, or possibly a gizmo like this, and using that to pull the beard and straighten it out as much as possible without going too crazy on it. And thing number 3, add beard balm after you've done the blow drying. So you need to do it in this order. You're going to do your beard oil, you're going to apply your small amount of heat, whether it's a blow dryer or some sort of gizmo, then you're going to put beard balm over the top of it. Essentially what you're doing here is you're putting the beard oil on to help keep it moisturized. You're doing the blow drying or the gadget. I don't even know what this thing is called. I picked one up and I don't even know what it's called. And then you're putting the beard balm on in order to keep it in place after you've done all that work. I'm actually super impressed with this thing, even though it's pink. I don't care. I got a manly beard. Pink can't overcome the beard. Alright guys, that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. If you found the video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And as always, stay bearded, my friends. Oh, wait. Don't leave. Okay, I forgot. We're doing a spring sale right now. If you want to save 10% on your entire order, use coupon code SPRINGBEARD. No space, just SPRINGBEARD. And also, we're doing free shipping on any order over $25. So get to the website, put in an order, and take advantage. Okay. Yeah, now we can run the outro. Go ahead.